You guys sit in the back. Oh, it's just a normal day at the Fat Donut with Parappa and his friends. It's a great day today. So what do you guys want to do? Let's go down to the beach.
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 Okay. Don't we need a car to get anywhere? You wankers? Yeah. And a license too. Whoa! Check that out! That's the new Super Stretch Limo 9000. Yeah. The maximum speed limit is 200,000 vinyl panther seats too. It's the ugliest essay in the universe, Joe Chin. Oh, hey bros, do you like my new ride? Man, it's fat, bruh. The color's awesome too. Only that, but it can fit 39 chicks in it too. Eat my primordial dust, you wankers! Hey, Sonny, are you getting dizzy in this thing? Nah, but I just had like 10 beers. Then how are you not dying? I don't
The beach.
know, mate. Num 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 num. Bruh, I could stuff myself for ages. I wonder when this chick's gonna leave me.